I'll be showing you how to create 16:9 as landscape images using Bing AI Image Creator. Let's do is the app Bing AI. So let's go to this icon here. You can see it has opened many apps on the interface. So we'll move to the one we need for now. That's the Image Creator. Here, the Image Creator has opened. So here you type in your prompt or paste what you have. Or while pasting your prompt, you notice by the side here, it's showing you the number of prompts you have left. Every day, Bing AI gives 15 prompts that you can use per day. It refreshes every day. So every day you have 15 prompts to use for free for image creation. So now we have the prompt we're supposed to create with. So we click on create. I'll give you some time to load and create. This takes some seconds depending on the speed of the internet. Okay, so you can see the images are created now. I'm giving you some images so you can choose anyone from here now. So just click on one image. So you can see now the image is a square image. That's 1:1 aspect ratio. Meanwhile, we're looking to get 16:9 aspect ratio. So what you do next is the image is open now. You just click on these three dots here. Go to resize. Then from resize, you see this icon here, this sign here. You click on it. Generating our image. Okay, so what happens is it has used the same image. We told it now to generate landscape for us. Our 16:9 aspect ratio, it will recreate it again. Maybe change the background or something. Then you can see it's looking even more beautiful now. It's now on landscape, exactly what we wanted, the 16:9 aspect ratio. So you can actually download this. Click here for download. It's downloaded. Download is complete. It's now saved to your device. So the interesting part here is having generated the 16:9 image as well we needed. Now the interesting aspect of it is that you can actually generate more images. Like you can see here, it's showing only one image at a time. So, but to get more of these images using the same prompt you used already, you don't need to do much work. You just click on the back button on your device. You to just reload, refresh it, and generate another different image for you. You can see this now. Each time you click on the back button to just reload and generate a new image for you to use. And you can always download as many as you want using the same prompt. You don't need to do any other thing there. Just you keep going back until you get as many images as you want. You can see this now. So when you are done, you just go to this close icon here and close it out. Click on creations. These are the images you generated recently. It doesn't really allow for creation of 16:9 images. So it's showing you here from the history of what you downloaded earlier, the ones that came with 1:1 aspect ratio. So I think that'll be all for now. Thank you very much.